Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for a carnivore diet. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on high-quality animal bones. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, such as marrow bones, knuckles, or oxtail. Ensure they come from grass-fed or pasture-raised sources for the best nutritional profile. This foundational step is crucial for a rich, nutrient-dense broth that aligns perfectly with a carnivore lifestyle. After roasting your bones, place them into a large stock pot or slow cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out valuable minerals from the bones during the cooking process. Now, cover the bones with filtered water, ensuring they are submerged by about 1 to 2 inches. This ratio is key for a concentrated and flavorful broth. You're now ready for the long, slow simmer. Bring your pot to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. This low and slow approach is essential for extracting all the goodness. Let it simmer for a minimum of 12 hours, and ideally up to 24 hours. During the first hour, skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Remember, for a strict carnivore broth, avoid adding any vegetables or spices. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, strain out all the bones and solids. Allow the liquid to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store your homemade bone broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for up to 6 months for longer preservation. This nutrient-dense broth offers amazing benefits for gut health and overall well-being on a carnivore diet. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.